राम राम साथियों, आज हम हॉस्टल वार्डन एग्जाम से रिलेटेड नॉलेज ऑफ आईसीटी का आज का अपना टॉपिक है। कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क से रिलेटेड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट 100 क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। इस चैनल पर आपको हॉस्टल वार्डन से रिलेटेड सारा स्टडी मटेरियल मिलेगा। चलो शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, what is a computer network? A collection of connected computers for communication. A collection of printers. B collection of storage devices. D none of the above. The correct answer is A, collection of connected computers for communication. Next question, the main purpose of a computer network is to A, share resources and data. B, perform calculations. C, play games. D, print files. The correct answer is A, share resources and data. Next question, a computer network is also known as a data communication system. B, a standalone system. C, peripheral network. D, hardware setup. The correct answer is A, data communication system. Next question, which of the following is not a network device? A, router. B, switch. C, keyboard. D, hub. The correct answer is C, keyboard. Next question, network communication is possible through A, cables and wireless signals. B, printers only. C, keyboard. D, USB. The correct answer is A, cables and wireless signals. Next question, what is data communication? A, exchange of data between devices through transmission medium. B, printing data. C, encryption data. D, coding program. The correct answer is A, exchange of data between devices through transmission medium. Next question, what is the smallest network? A, LAN. B, WAN. C, MAN. D, PAN. The correct answer is D, PAN, यानी पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज LAN stands for? A, local area network. B, large access network. C, local application node. D, limited area network. The correct answer is A, local area network. Next question, what does WAN stands for? The correct answer is wide area network. Next question, which type of network covers a city or a large campus? The correct answer is MAN, MAN, metropolitan area network. Next, section 2, types and topologies. Next question, which of the following is not a network topology? A, bus. B, star. C, ring. D, point to point. The correct answer is D, point to point. Next question, in a bus topology, all devices share a single communication line. B, star connection. C, hub. D, router. The correct answer is A, single communication line. Next question, the topology where each node connects to a central hub is called A, star topology. B, ring topology. C, bus topology. D, mesh topology. The correct answer is A, star topology. Next question, in a ring topology, data travels A, in a circle. B, randomly. C, through a central hub. D, directly to the internet. The correct answer is A, in a circle. Next, mesh topology provides A, full connectivity between nodes. B, only one connection per device. C, centralized communication. D, no redundancy. The correct answer is A, full connectivity between nodes. Next, in a hybrid topology, A, uh, two or more topologies are combined. B, only one topology is used. C, no devices are connected. D, wireless is not possible. The correct answer is two or more topologies are combined. Next question, star topology is most commonly used because A, easy to manage and expand. B, least expensive. C, does not need a hub. D, supports wireless only. The correct answer is A, easy to manage and expand. Next question, the central device is next, the central device in star topology is A. Hub to switch, B. Router, C. Bridge, D. Modem. The correct answer is A. Hub or switch. Next, in a bus topology, data collisions occur when A. Two stations send data simultaneously. B. Devices are turned off. C. Hub fails. D. Cable breaks. The correct answer is A. Two stations send data simultaneously. Next question. In a ring topology, if one device fails, A. Entire network stops working. B. Other devices continue normally. C. Hub replaces it. D. None. The correct answer is A. Entire network stops working. Next, section 3, network devices. Next question. A hub works at which OSI layer? A. A physical layer. B. Data link layer. C. Network layer. D. Transport layer. The correct answer is A. Physical layer. Next, a switch operates at the dash layer. A. Data link. B. Network. C. Physical. D. Transport. The correct answer is A. Data link layer. D. Data link layer. Next question. A router operates at which OSI layer? The correct the data operates at which OSI layer? A. Network. B. Data link. C. Physical. D. Transport. The correct answer is A. Network layer. Next, a bridge connects A. Two lane segments. B. A computer and printer. C. Two WANs, vans. D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Two lane segments. Next, a modem converts A. Digital signals to analog and vice versa. B. Audio to video. C. Files to packets. D. Software to hardware. The correct answer is A. Digital signals to analog and vice versa. Next question. A repeater is used to A. Regenerate weak signals. B. Encrypt data. C. Convert analog to digital. D. Connect LAN. The correct answer is A. Regenerate weak signals. Next question. A gateway connects A. Two different networks using different protocols. B. Two computers. C. Similar networks. D. Modems. The correct answer is A. Two different networks using different protocols. Next question. A firewall is used for A. Network security. B. Signal boosting. C. Increasing speed. D. Data compression. The correct answer is A. Network security. Next question. The device used to connect computers wirelessly is A. Access point. B. Router. C. Bridge. D. Switch. The correct answer is A. Access point. Next question. NIC stands for, the correct answer is Network Interface Card. Next, section 4, OSI model. Next question. The OSI model has dash layers. The correct answer is 7 layers. Next, the first layer of OSI model is, the correct answer is physical layer. Next question. The top layer of OSI model is, the correct answer is application layer. Next, which OSI layer is responsible for routing? The correct answer is network layer. Next, the transport layer is responsible for, the correct answer is reliable data delivery. Next, the data link layer deals with, the correct answer is frames. Next, the network layer deals with, the correct answer is packets. Next, the physical layer deals with, the correct answer is bits. Next, the application layer provides, the correct answer is network services to end users. Next, which layer handles encryption and decryption? The correct answer is presentation layer. Next, section 5, protocols. Next question. What does TCP stands for? The correct answer is Transmission Control Protocol. Next, what does IP stands for? The correct answer is Internet Protocol. Next, what does FTP stands for? The correct answer is File Transfer Protocol. Next, what does SMTP stands for? The correct answer is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Next, what does POP3 stands for? The correct answer is Post Office Protocol version 3. Next, what does IMAP stands for? The correct answer is Internet Message Access Protocol. Next, what does HTTP stands for? The correct answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next, what does HTTPS stands for? The correct answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Next, what does DNS stand for? The correct answer is Domain Names Systems. Next, what does DHCP stands for? The correct answer is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Next, section 6, IP addressing. Next question, IP addresses are dash bit in IPv4. The correct answer is 32 bits. Next, IP addresses are dash bit in IPv6. The correct answer is 128 bits. Next, the IP address is 192.168.1.1 belongs to. The correct answer is private IP range. Next, a public IP is used for. The correct answer is internet communication. Next, IP stands for. The correct answer is internet protocol. Next, the address used by network devices to identify each other is. The correct answer is IP address. Next, the default gateway connects. The correct answer is local network to external network. Next, DNS converts. The correct answer is domain name to IP addresses. Next, MAC address identifies. The correct answer is hardware of a network interface card. Next, subnet mask divides. The correct answer is network into subnetworks. Next, section 7, wireless and internet. Next question, Wi-Fi stands for. The correct answer is wireless fidelity. Next, Bluetooth operates in the dash range. The correct answer is 10 meters. Next, WiMAX stands for. The correct answer is worldwide interoperability for microwave access. Next, 4G and 5G are examples of. The correct answer is mobile communication networks. Next question, what is the maximum range of a pen in Bluetooth? The correct answer is around 10 meters. Next, a hotspot provides. The correct answer is wireless internet access. Next, ISP stands for. The correct answer is internet service provider. Next, modem converts. The correct answer is digital signals to analog and vice versa. Next, firewall is used for. The correct answer is network security. Next, VPN stands for. The correct answer is virtual private network. Next, section 8, network security. Next question, firewall protects against. The correct answer is unauthorized access. Next, encryption means. The correct answer is converting data into secret code. Next, decryption means. The correct answer is converting code back into readable data. Next, virus is. The correct answer is a malicious program that replicates itself. Next question, Trojan horse is. The correct answer is a harmful program disguised as useful software. Next, worm is. The correct answer is self-replicating malware that spreads automatically. Next, phishing means fraudulent attempt to steal information online. Next, spyware is. The correct answer is software that secretly monitors user activity. Next, antivirus software is used to. The correct answer is detect and remove malware. Next, example of antivirus software. A. The correct answer is Quick Heal, Norton, McAfee. Next, section 9, Internet Basics. Next question, www stands for. The correct answer is World Wide Web. Next, URL stands for. The correct answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Next, HTML stands for. The correct answer is Hypertext Markup Language. Next, ISP provides. The correct answer is internet connectivity. Next, web browsers are used to. The correct answer is access web pages. Next, example of a web browser. The correct answer is Chrome, Edge, Firefox. Next, search engines are used to. The correct answer is search information online. Next, examples of search engines. The correct answer is Google, Bing, Yahoo. Next, email stands for, the correct answer is electronic mail. Next, SMTP, POP3, IMAP, the correct answer is email protocols. Next, section 10, advanced networking and cloud, the correct answer. And next question, cloud computing means, the correct answer is accessing resources and storage via the internet. Next, IoT means, the correct answer is Internet of Things. Next, bandwidth means, the correct answer is data transfer capacity of a network. Next, latency means, the correct answer is delay in a data transmission. Next, pinch command is used to, the correct answer is check network connectivity. Next, packet means, the correct answer is a small unit of data transmitted over a network. Next, proxy server acts as, the correct answer is an intermediary between user and internet. Next, cloud storage is an example of, the correct answer is online data storage service. Next, data packet loss occurs due to, the correct answer is network congestion or weak signal. Next, IPv6 usage dash bits for addressing, the correct answer is 128 bits. दैट्स ऑल इन दिस सेशन। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।